I want to try Alpine Stitch. Now, first of all, this yarn is called a Kobo from Land Brand. It's a mix of cotton and rayon, rayon from bamboo. When I touch it, it was like so soft. I can't resist taking it. The hook mentioned is 4 mm, so I have my 4 mm hook, which is US G6, I think. So let us take the center pole. It was hard to take the center pole from this one. Okay. Okay, somehow I got the center pole. To make the Alpine stitch, we need to start with the slip stitch, and we have to make an even number of stitches. I made this one. This is hot pink and it is acrylic. So this is a gift for a 1-year-old. So I'm going to make some pale pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will make a foundation chain of even number of stitches. This is going to be a headband. I'm going to make a headband for myself. So I made 16 chains, and I'm going to do a single crochet in the second chain from hook. This one doesn't count as a chain. Then this is the first chain from the hook. This is the second chain from the hook. I'm going to make a single crochet right here. Now I'm going to make single crochet in each of these stitches. Now we made a first row of single crochet. Then we make a turning chain of 2. Then we make single crochet in all of these stitches. So this chain 2 is considered as the first double crochet. So we make the next one in the, not here, in this one, and make double crochet in each of the stitches. The second row and the double crochet row is finished, so I'm going to make a chain 1 and turn. Now I'm going to make single crochet. When I'm making single crochet, I'm going, here is the chain 1, but I'm going to make it single crochet in the same stitch. So the chain 1 is not considered as a stitch, but the chain 2 of the double crochet row was considered as a stitch. So we make the first single crochet in the first stitch, then single crochet across. Now it is very important to make a single crochet on the turning chain, so make that one. Now we make a chain 2, turn the work, and make a front post double crochet. We are going to take the double crochet in the previous row, not from, we did a single crochet row, right? So we finished that one. Then we are going to take not this turning chain, but this one. Then we make a regular double crochet in the next stitch. We skip this double crochet. In the next one we make a post stitch, then a regular double crochet. Again skip that one, the next one. So we made this a double crochet. So the next one we are not going to make double crochet. The next one we are not going to make the post. The next one going under, the next one is a post, next one going under, the next one is a post, next one is going under, and the last one we are going to make the double crochet. So you can see. So we made a post and we are going to make a regular double crochet in the next stitch. Then, as my hook indicated in the row, you can see it's going to be a front post, then a regular, then the front post. So I was trying this one before, then it was like hard for me to figure out where the post stitch is going. Okay, there's a mistake. Okay, here. This is regular, this is up, this is down. Okay, this is going to be the next post. This is going to be the regular. This is going to be the post. And the last one we are going to make the regular. Okay. Now we get some texture there. Now chain 1, turn, we are going to make single crochet. Single crochet all across. When the row is finished, we are going to make a chain 2 and turn. And this is going to be the row of post stitches. The next stitch here, as you can see, it is a post stitch, so I'm going to make a regular double crochet in it. Then the next one is this one. I'm going to make a post over there. That's how we get that texture, the hills and valleys. There are 2 more stitches left here, but this is a post stitch, and this we made a post stitch already, so we don't make a post stitch on top of the post stitch. We make a regular double crochet. Now in the last one we need to make it in this stitch. Turning chain, make a this double crochet. This side. Now we make a chain 1, turn and do single crochet. Repeat this pattern. That's it. I find this step is interesting to so we don't make mistake. This first one is a post double crochet, so I'm going to put that one down. This is a yarn needle with embroidery flows on it, so I'm going to push this one up, next down, then the next one up, then the next one down, just in up and down. Just push your needle just like that. And as you can see, this one here, this thread, push up the ones to be done, the post double crochet, this one, this one, this one, like that. So I did the chain 2 to turn, then this is a post stitch, it has to go down, so regular double crochet on top of it. This with the 4 size 4 mm hook, this yarn is like getting on the way, it is splitting. It is cotton and rayon, so then this is the post, this is regular, again this is the post, next is regular, I think you got the idea. Now we are at the last stitch. Now I can take this out, right? That's how it works. And now I have finished this one. Now this Alpine Stitch has a right side and a wrong side. The wrong side is like this and the right side has a lot more texture. Now we keep the wrong side out and the edges align with the right side together. I'm going to make it the turban style. So hold it like this. And halfway through that. And like this. Now I can stitch through all 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the way. If you have doubts in how to do that, I have made the same in a different video, but we will repeat it again here. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share. That will help my little channel grow a little more faster. Of course, only if you like it, you subscribe it for more videos. And if you have any questions about how to do this Alpine stitch or any other stitches, please ask in the comment section. I will reply as soon as I get to see the comment. Any other question generally in regarding crochet, which if I know, I will answer it to you. If I don't know the answer correctly, I will try to find it and reply to you. I can just cut off the yarn and let us see how it looks. Yeah, I still have to stitch the yarn tails in. Yeah, I can make a small heart just like this one and attach it to that. That'd be great for a Valentine's Day gift for some friends. Or to give somebody as a gift for Mother's Day. Be great, right? Okay, see you next time with the next pattern. Till then, bye.